Hi guys, this is 5 different reasons why you should buy a quality dongle. First reason why you should use some money. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 different dongles I bought to fulfill my needs. So I'm just going to show you why or what I have here. Okay, so this is my dongle from Bezos. I actually saw that you can buy this on AliExpress. I bought it in a Danish retailer, but it's such a nice quality aluminum casing and yeah, gloss finish. I've already got fingerprints on. Yeah, but it's got HDMI port. It's got 3 USB-A ports, 3.0, SD card reader, and a USB-C port. And what you can use this for, and this brings us to the second reason why you should buy this. You can plug it into your monitor. It just works. One of my previous videos was about how to get your MacBook to transfer 60 Hz because my old USB-C cheap dongle could only support 1080 60 Hz. So if you've got that problem, just do that. Check out my video on how to do it. The third reason why to do this: no disconnecting flash drives. It's not disconnecting all the time. It just works. And this is actually one of my other videos where I had this problem, where the SSD and micro SD cards would disconnect all the time, and I didn't know why. That was just the dongle all the time. I didn't know that, but I know that now. The fourth reason is that you can take your power cable and instead of plugging it into your USB-C here to charge it, you can plug it into the dongle and charge it. What the fuck? The fifth reason why you should do this is clamshell mode. And clamshell mode is this, where you can use it folded. Subscribe if you found this video useful, and like it, obviously, also. It helps me a lot. Stay tuned, because I make a lot of different videos that might help you or might get you inspired to fix something yourself, or yeah, to just maybe you'll get some tips that you can use in your daily life. That's what this channel is all about. So I'm making a ton of different videos. I'm not being a nerd on one subject. I'm a nerd in everything, and yeah, I hope you like it. Yeah, have a great day.